Welcome on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show how to make this simple background animation using HTML and CSS only. Full source code available in my GitHub repository. Create index.html file and open in VS Code editor. In body, create div with class container. Create list with class square. In total will be 15 list items and copy it 15 times. This is a small project, so I will add style into index.html file. For entire project, margin 0, padding 0. Open index.html file in live server, or you can open it in Google Chrome. After reloading the page, nothing displays. So let's add more CSS. For container, width 100%, height also 100. Added dark blue background. For squares, width and height 100%, top and left 0, position absolute and overflow hidden. Reload the page. Now background color changed. For squares, list, top will be minus 120. This means that each square will be hidden on every page reload. Position absolute and display block. Each square will be displayed in grayish color with 15% border radius. Animation will be named Squares Animation with 15 seconds duration, linear, infinity. Keyframes for Squares Animation. While 0% transform, translate Y and rotate 0. While 100% transform, translate Y 900 pixels, rotate 360 degrees. In total will be 15 squares that will have different width and height, different percent number for left, and different animation delay in seconds. This is animation details for first square, second square, third square. Save it, reload the page, and as you can see, first 3 squares animated. This is animation details for square number 4, 5, and 6. If you want to check it in details, you can pause the video and check it out. Animation for 7 square, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and last one, 15. Save it, reload the page, and this is final result. Thank you for watching my tutorial. If you find it useful, please consider subscribing. I understand that this animation is extremely simple and extremely basic, but I know that when you only start your CSS studying journey, this could be useful. If you have any comments, you can write it in comment section and I'll reply on it.